Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter a promo code using the SHEIN app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I'm going to open up SHEIN on my phone, and now for this demonstration, I'm going to put a random product into my cart. So I'm just going to click out of these ads here, enable. Alright, so I'm going to click onto, if I scroll down, so I'm going to put in this men's singlet shirt. So I'm going to add this to my cart. I'm going to pick a size, add to cart, and now from here, this is where you work your magic to add your promo code. So I'm going to click onto my cart, and once you're here, you can delete products too that you no longer need. So I'm just going to delete these two here. Alright, once I've deleted them, I'm going to go to checkout here. I'm going to make sure I've got that checked. As you can see, it's $11. And now if we scroll down, you can see apply coupon here. So apparently I've used one coupon has been used. So if I click into it, I can add more coupons if I'd like. So that's where you add your coupon or promo code, click on apply, then head back here, and then go ahead and click on place order.